Let's navigate the point of interest. A point of interest is a marker on the map that a user can add to indicate a situation. To create a point of interest marker, first go to the Map tab. Then click on the plus icon on the bottom right of the screen. Select Create Point of Interest. Locate the point of interest you want to create in the map. The address of the location will pop up. If correct, click Create Point of Interest. Assign an icon that relates to the point of interest you're creating. In the next field, add a name to the point of interest. You can also add further details using the point of interest description. Next, add the severity of the point of interest, choosing from low to critical. You can also select who can view the point of interest by choosing the exposure. Set the perimeter radius for the point of interest. This needs to be a minimum of 150 meters. Lastly, you can enable the edit lock so only you and the dispatcher can make changes to the point of interest. Click on Create Point of Interest to save it. In the map, you will now see the icon for the point of interest. By clicking the point of interest icon, you can display the details. Next to the point of interest title, you will see the Edit and the Delete buttons.